Good afternoon, my loves. So I am heading to Van Cleef Arpels to check out their new white Guilloche collection. I'm going to show you the pieces on me. If I can vlog, of course I will. But yeah, you know how much I love their Guilloche collection, and I really love white gold, as I've been saying recently. Just quickly, let me show you what I'm wearing. I'm dressed up in all in blue because finally today's weather is decent. So this super casual dress is from Ganni. I love that they're a sustainable brand, but at a really good price point. So this is sort of like in a material, oh, there's Chino, he's wandering around. So this dress, it is like a puff. Miss S said I look like a cloud, but that's okay. I love sort of like loose dresses like this. I guess it's a little bit Japanese inspired. And the best thing is it has pockets. Love a dress, you know, that has pockets. And then I'm carrying my baby blue broom Birkin 25 in Cellier. How gorgeous. I just love it so much. On my feet, I'm wearing my Gucci slides, but really you can't tell that they're Gucci unless you know. But they do come in other colors as well. Yeah, I've worn these already before. They are so comfortable. I can walk all day in them. And then on my ears, since I'm going to Van Cleef Arpels, I am wearing my magic Alhambra earrings because, yeah, these are my favorite. If they had more colors, I would buy them in more colors. So that is my entire look, and I will vlog more at VCA when I get there. So I'm finally in VCA trying on their new silver Guilloche. These are the earrings. I'm really surprised how much I love them. Look at that sunburst detail. So this is in the vintage size. You know me, I normally only like magic because of the sparkle. It definitely compensates. And then let me show you the 5 motif bracelet. It actually goes really well with my stack because it goes with my platinum wedding band. Excuse all the scratches, that was Chino. I was being cheeky. But yeah, look how beautiful it is. So just wanted to show you guys, if you were interested, definitely get it, because I think my SA was saying to me, once they've sold out, I mean, they are going to get it again, but they have been having some production issues, because one thing that I've been wanting to get, hopefully, is the magic 3 motif. But yeah, they just haven't had that in stock. So, you know, maybe one day, but this could be a great Christmas gift. What do you think, Hubs? Do you like it?
Oh, I think it's beautiful.
Do you like it better than the gold Guilloche?
Maybe, yeah.
It's more cash, right?
It's more cash.
Yeah, I really like it.
It's more cash, but more bit blingy as well, which is nice.
Okay, let me show you this piece. I don't think many people know about this. First time I've tried it, but this is the Perle secret watch. And this is in turquoise, which I love. Look, it matches my outfit. And it's called the secret watch because if you flip it, hold on, I'm doing it one-handed. You can see it is a timepiece, and it's got all diamonds surrounding it, and even all diamonds here in this dome shaped. My lovely SA was saying it's actually quite complicated to do all this, but it is heavy, like there's a lot of weight to it. And I mean, I love the Perle collection. I do want to add something from the Perle collection, but it's very nice just to try this on. Just wanted to show you this new ring. It's the Perle Colores, and this is the malachite version, but it does come in a lot of other colors, like, oh, it comes in coral, turquoise, lapis, onyx. Definitely has a vintage vibe, so just wanted to show you guys that. So I never used to like butterflies, but Cleef Arpels has a way of changing your mind. And I love the turquoise. So this is what it looks like. It's got a little tiny diamond there as well. I just happened to wear blue, guys. It was not on purpose, but Cleef Arpels, can you please bring back turquoise and magic? It's not too much to ask, but isn't this sweet? So this is the 2 butterfly between the finger ring. It's actually very pretty. Still don't know if I love butterflies, but I think I like the in between the finger rings better. Okay, so if you want a statement ring, the 8 flower frivole ring. Wow, look at that. Stunning. Definitely an occasion ring, but first time I've tried it on. Gorgeous. Between the finger ring, in the malachite, I think this one's my favorite. Love it. Yeah, so this is the single magic Alhambra ring, but I like this one more. One day, guys, I would love to get a 20 motif that has all the diamonds. This one's got the grey mother of pearl, I believe, and in rose gold. This is a stunning piece, but this would be so expensive. But one day. Okay, so this is the vintage Alhambra ring. This one's a little bit big. I can't say I love it. Of course, it's very popular. It's nice, but yeah, I still prefer the in between the finger ring. And then this is the flower lace ring. This is beautiful. Like, this looks a lot better worn than off. I actually tried the pendant and I never thought I would like it, but my lovely essay challenged me and I wore the pendant and I'm like, oh, I actually like it. So what do you guys think of this? Talking about the flower lace collection, like I mentioned, I did try on the flower lace pendant another time when I was in there, but I never showed you guys. So this is what it looks like on me, and I was surprised how much I really liked it. I just think it looks really graceful because you can actually see through it, like the ring as well. So it combines 2 elements of VCA, nature and their love of couture. And whilst I was there, you guys know I have been considering bracelets. One being the Sweet Clover bracelet. This does come in a thicker version as well. So I'm trying the one in yellow gold, which I actually really like with my stack. This costs nearly 25,000 Australian. But the other one I love is the Perle diamond bracelet, the thinner version. And I'm trying this on in rose gold, but this one is $10,000 more expensive. But it is stunning, so I've got them stacked together. So which one do you prefer on my wrist? The Sweet Clover bracelet or the Perle thinner diamond bracelet? And since I was there, I might as well try on one of their high jewelry pieces. This is the Palmier bracelet. 3 rows of sparkling, brilliant diamonds. Oh my goodness, this was stunning. The price tag is a whopping $198,000. But I love trying on their high jewelry pieces. It definitely makes me appreciate Cleef Arpels more. Okay guys, I have officially added a new piece to my wish list. Look at these. Oh my gosh, the flower lace earrings. I am such a fan of bigger earrings, as you know, I love my magics, but this is just another level. Look at all the diamonds, and you know, I love that you can see through it, so it's not like just like a solid piece. It's so stunning. I'll still just wear this with a dress and even with denim. Who says you can't wear bling bling casually, right? But yeah, gotta save up for these. These are not cheap, but something to work towards. Love, 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 love. Okay guys, so I'm back now and I'm at home. I forgot to do a sign off. So yes, I did get some goodies from VCA, which I will unbox soon in another video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short vlog. Let me know what other jewelry brands you like me to vlog in. I'm definitely thinking of going into Bulgari, maybe Chaumet. So yeah, comment below and let me know. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and I will catch you soon in my next one. Bye guys!